Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a friendly creature named Demiguise. Demiguise was a magical being, known for its silvery fur and black eyes that sparkled with curiosity. One sunny morning, Demiguise was roaming through the forest, playing with the leaves and twigs. Suddenly, it heard a soft whisper, "Hello, Demiguise." Demiguise turned around to see a little girl, nearly hidden behind the trees. Her name was Lily, and she was lost. Demiguise, with its kind heart, decided to help her. "Don't worry, Lily," Demiguise said, "I will help you find your way home." And so, they started their journey together. They walked through the forest, with Demiguise leading the way. Lily was amazed by the beautiful sights around her, the colorful flowers, the chirping birds, and the towering trees. Demiguise showed Lily the hidden paths and shortcuts in the forest. They laughed and played together, making their journey fun and exciting. As they neared Lily's home, Demiguise started to feel a strange sensation. It knew it was time to say goodbye. "Lily," Demiguise said, "I must return to my forest now. But remember, whenever you're lost, just think of me, and I'll guide you." Lily hugged Demiguise tightly, tears welling up in her eyes. "Thank you, Demiguise," she said, "I'll never forget you." With a final wave, Demiguise disappeared into the forest, leaving Lily standing there, filled with gratitude and happiness. From that day forward, Lily would often visit the forest, hoping to see her friend Demiguise again. And though she never saw Demiguise again, she knew in her heart that her magical friend was always with her. And so, the story of Demiguise and Lily became a beloved tale in the forest, a story of friendship, kindness, and the magic that can be found in unexpected places.